Welcome to our exploration of hawk populations with data science tools. I'm the programming professor, and today we'll delve into how we can use Python's powerful libraries to analyze and visualize data on hawk populations. Our presentation will follow this outline. We'll start by analyzing hawk data with NumPy, move to manipulating the data with pandas, and conclude by visualizing hawk population trends with Matplotlib. First, let's talk about the hawk population study. This was a longitudinal study conducted over 10 years in Iowa, focusing on 3 species: the Cooper's hawk, the red-tailed hawk, and the sharp-shinned hawk. Data was gathered through capture, measurement, and release methods, providing a rich dataset for analysis. Moving on to using NumPy for data analysis. NumPy is essential for performing mathematical operations on our dataset. It allows us to handle matrix algebra, calculate summary statistics, and explore or create new features from our data. Here, we see some code that loads the hawk data and prints the number of instances, giving us an idea of the dataset's size. Next, we explore how Pandas can manipulate this data. Pandas is fantastic for managing datasets. It can import, export, subset, and even insert new features into our data. The code snippet here demonstrates how we count red-tailed hawks, offering a glimpse into how we can slice our data for specific analyses. Finally, we discuss visualization with Matplotlib, which is key for turning our data into insights, whether for exploratory analysis or creating publication quality graphs. Matplotlib helps us visualize the relationships in our data. The code shown here plots wing length against weight for sharp-shinned hawks, providing visual cues about these birds' physical characteristics. To wrap up, we summarize our approach. We've used NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data manipulation, and Matplotlib for visualization. This comprehensive strategy allows us to gain deep insights into hawk populations over time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.